What's up? It's your boy Taylor Gray here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm back. It's been a while, but I'm back with the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Emily of Fort Collins, Colorado. I called the insurance office today to cancel my insurance policy and was treated so rudely by the licensed insurance agent. I even asked the lady why she was so hostile. It was as if she was taking this personally. I was canceling because I found another company that matched the same coverage that is in my current insurance policy, but for literally half the price. What? So you guys hear me talking about this all the time, right? Like if you're not checking every 2 years for your insurance coverage, you don't even know what's going on, really, because loyalty, insurance companies have proven over and over and over again, doesn't pay. So you gotta check around. As long as it's the same coverage or better and it's for half the price, how could you go wrong, right? So check every 2 years. However, after my overall experience with this current company, I will never use them again. Even if they offered a better rate down the road, they lost a customer for life. This is what insurance companies are doing now, right? Now it's all about profit before their policyholders. It's about their shareholders before their policyholders. P.S. You're the policyholder. You're the client. So, as I've said before, every 2 years, make sure your coverage is exactly what you need and verify you're getting a good price. Because if your insurance company isn't giving you a good price for the same coverage you can find elsewhere, why would you stay? Check it out every 2 years. If you need anything, need help, if you have an insurance claim that you need help on, if it's a residential, commercial, or industrial, let us know today. BellatorClaims.com. Talk to you soon.